Welcome to my newest listing at 8432 South Kings Hill Drive in Cottonwood Heights, Utah. The home is located in a highly sought out pocket just above Wasatch Boulevard and walking distance of Golden Hills Park. It's completely surrounded by mountain views and outdoor recreation because it's perfectly placed in between Big and Little Cottonwood Canyons. The house has a lot of upgrades that are custom, low maintenance, eco-friendly, and/or automated. The exterior features all brand new paint, light fixtures, composite decking both up and down, and a newly installed garage roof. My favorite feature on the upper portion of the exterior is the covered porch where you can cool off after a jog or a hike with the misters and enjoy the sunset views. When you walk through the front door, you're greeted by a floor-to-ceiling gas log fireplace with original stone. A beautiful custom metal rail sets a modern tone accompanied by upgraded metal light fixtures throughout. The living area wraps around into a large dining area, allowing for plenty of room to entertain while enjoying the view out of the large windows in the main living space. The kitchen has beautiful under-cabinet LED lighting, a modern backsplash, granite countertops with an island, and a gas range with a spacious pantry. Walk right out of the kitchen into a private newly stained deck to enjoy your morning coffee with gorgeous mountain views. You're going to fall in love with the vaulted master bedroom with barn doors tying in all the little wood finishes. All bathrooms in the home have high-efficiency toilets with bidets. Step into the second bedroom on the main floor with industrial pipe hung to mimic a boutique-like second closet. The main level also features a great-sized full bathroom with brand new oil rub bronze hardware. Take a step down the stairs lined with brand new carpet and check out the walkout basement. Welcome to what is used as a safe room, gun room, or even a large vault. Combined with the keypad entry lock, the door is welded with a 1/4-inch steel frame and an 1/8-inch brass plate for security. The remainder of the walls are lined in 16-gauge steel or have concrete foundation behind them. Check out this open, bright living space with fresh paint and a wet bar area, perfect for those outdoor-indoor barbecues. Can you hear that? That relaxing sound is coming from the koi pond with a natural biofiltration system, which requires virtually no maintenance. Imagine relaxing to that sound while taking a dip in the hot tub with views like this. If you thought we were done with the unique and custom features of this home, we're just getting started. Everything that is green in the backyard is irrigated with a smart controller from the garden to the trees around the perimeter. Now check out this stunning she shed and he shed setup. To top it off, there's power ran to both sheds. The sprinklers on the upper and lower lawn are also on smart systems. Turn them on, turn them off, and update the timers from anywhere that you have Wi-Fi. The chicken coop is powered with a remote-controlled robotic opening door to let the chickens out in the morning and in at night. Premium grade soil was laid under both grass areas, reducing the amount of water necessary to keep it looking nice and healthy. The shade cells on the upper yard area also help reduce the amount of water by providing plenty of shade. If you pay close attention, you'll actually notice that the cells posts are welded into place, keeping them nice and sturdy. You'll also find drip irrigation throughout the garden boxes featuring gooseberry, raspberries, strawberries, and much more. If you take a closer look, there is actually over 20 tons of upcycled steel throughout the yard. Now don't forget, there's beehives that have a special European design that, you guessed it, they're maintenance free. The hive is specifically made deep enough and thick enough that the bees can stay over the winter without any additional insulation or prep. These thornbeam trees will grow into dense and narrow, low-maintenance privacy trees, only adding to the tranquility and privacy of the backyard. So give me a call today to schedule your very own private showing.